everybody! Welcome back to our channel, Perfect Awakening. I'm James.
And I'm Nicole.
And today we're going to be starting a new series called Quick Picks. Honey, will you tell us a little bit more about this series?
Sure. So I thought Quick Picks would be a good idea. It's going to be a series of simple videos, and it's going to be one recipe. Because we just want to try so many recipes, but we can't shove them in one video. So we're going to make multiple.
So if you want to learn new vegan recipes with us, then keep on watching.